You guys always ask me, Maitrayee, show me your skincare routine. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple skincare routine that I always follow, which follows very simple steps but are equally effective. So stay tuned if you are curious. Hey guys, if you are seeing this space for the very first time, hi, I'm Maitrayee Halder. I do make a lot of beauty and skincare related content mixed with a couple of contents that I really like. So if you are into that genre, then do consider subscribing and hitting on that bell notification to get notified every time I upload. Also, do not forget to follow me in my social media accounts where I'm the most active and you get to be a part of what goes into my videos, including my Instagram where I do a couple of live sessions to answer back to all of your skincare or other concerns. So without any further ado, we are going to talk about my simple skincare routine, which involves like 3 to 4 steps, and it is basically my AM routine. The first step of my AM routine is a cleanser. Now you guys can obviously skip a cleanser in the morning, but if you are choosing one cleanser, choose a very gentle one. This one from Joy is super affordable. It costs about like 225 rupees for 150 ml. You require a very small bit. It lathers up beautifully. It has fragrance, but it is a very mild, very gentle. The pH is around 5.5 or between 5 to 6, so they are bang on with the pH. But this cleanser will make sure you are not stripping your skin the first thing in the morning, but you are at the same time cleansing your skin properly. The surfactants used are very gentle, very mild, very optimum for the skin, and it also has calendula, ceramides, vitamin B5 and E. The next step is optional, but you can always apply an essence or a toner, but you can always try a scent that really suits you. For example, this L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence, which has the power of salicylic acid in it, plus a lot of other humectants, and it absorbs super fast and it does gives you that dewy and glowy finish. On to my next step, which is a moisturizer, and you can always try a moisturizer which has like basic emollients or basic humectants, but at the same time, if you are not that into serums or you are really beginner in the skincare game, then you can always choose a moisturizer that has some kinds of active in it. Now this one I was really excited to try and it didn't fail me. This one is from L'Oréal Paris and this is their Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream. Oh my god, the texture is super amazing. It absorbs super fast. It again gives you that glowy finish. It is best for oily to combo skin. Even normal skin people can apply this. This sits beautifully under makeup. Now I always tend to apply a gel type moisturizer whenever I am applying my makeup. Even today I applied this under my makeup. This one is beautiful. The reason why I choose a gel moisturizer is because first of all, they do not oxidize your makeup that much, and secondly, they absorb quickly. This particular cream has a goodness of salicylic acid. Salicylic acid falls under the beta hydroxy acids category, and beta hydroxy acids are really great. It's basically a keratolytic agent, meaning it would accelerate the proliferation of your cells so you have a healthier glowing skin. Plus salicylic acid is great for acne scars, pimples, breakouts, maskne. Because of this pandemic, people are suffering from maskne. It also helps to unclog your pores, gives you a much more brighter complexion, and also giving you the chemical exfoliation that your skin needs. And if you are a complete beginner or even if you are an intermediate who is trying to simplify their skincare routine, including a moisturizer which does has an active is really beneficial. Plus salicylic acid is one of the best actives present out there because it can do a lot of good things together. This one does contains fragrance alcohol, so obviously do a patch test and try it. My skin, if you guys are familiar with me, doesn't really get irritated with fragrance or alcohol. Salicylic acid is one of the ingredients that is constantly suggested by dermatologists to oily skin, combination skin, people who have a lot of acne problems, sebum related issues like comedones, whitehead, blackheads. Salicylic acid can do a lot of good things, and including it in a cream or a moisturizer like this makes it accessible to a vast amount of audience that are completely beginners. And I don't think there are any moisturizer available in India which does include the goodness of salicylic acid, so plus points for that. If you are curious about where to purchase all of the products that I'm mentioning, I will give all of the necessary links and coupon codes or anything that I have in the bottom box below. If you are curious about the prices of these two, this one comes in again 2 sizes, which is really great. If you want to try before investing in a full size, this is a great option. The 50 ml which I have will cost you something about 699 rupees, and the 15 ml one will cost you something about 299 rupees. So this is the moisturizer that I'm currently using and loving. So after my essence or toner, I straight ahead go with this moisturizer. This is very lightweight. It also doesn't pills my sunscreen and it has a very lightweight texture. Coming to the last part of my skincare routine, which is sunscreen. Sunscreen is the best skincare that you can ever invest. I always emphasize the need of sunscreen in your life. This one from Earth Rhythm is my absolute go-to recently. This is their SPF 50 Ultra Defense sunscreen. This one by far is one of the best sunscreen that I've ever tried. It is lightweight yet at the same time moisturizing. It doesn't have any form of fragrance, colorants, alcohol, anything. But at the same time, if you are applying enough of it, it doesn't pill, doesn't make you uncomfortable, doesn't give you any form of white cast. And I always apply like 6 to 7 pumps of it throughout my face and neck. This sunscreen retails for something about 550 rupees to 750 rupees depending upon the sale. So hey guys, this was my 3 or 4 step basic simple morning routine that works wonders. If you want to know my other routines like a chemical exfoliation routine or another AM routine or another PM routine, then do let me know in the comment box below. Like this video if you like my content, share this video to any of your friends. Lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.